Hi Matt, thanks again for ordering these parts. Here's the computer that you saw the video of already. I know that got you excited, and I'm excited to show you this harness here because man, these are both grade A parts. You know I'm thorough about it, but this is for you and anybody else interested in ordering grade A parts from me, just to give an example of what is possible out here. I went to you ordered grade A parts. We didn't shake much down on the price, so I went straight to basically my top shelf. Found a boxed harness I've probably had for a decade, and opened it up to find this beautiful harness. There were 3 total broken clips, but this thing having such a young life, I cannot believe how clean this harness is. I really couldn't even clean it. It, like I said, has been stored away for a while, but just with how clean these connectors are, even inside, all the terminals seem to be really, really nice. I mean, this is not a new harness, but as far as used goes, I think this is about the best there is. The mass airflow plug I changed from a different harness, just because they had one broken clip on this original. But as you can see, everything is extra clean. This is a 92-93 harness, still had the original tag on it. This grommet is really clean. You can barely tell this thing is used. I mean, it's obvious that it is, but condition-wise, I am impressed with my own inventory here. I put an Encore seal of approval there on the 60-pin connector, but like I said, I've looked this thing over. There are no more broken clips. There was only 3 to begin with, or 2 actually, and I'm just kind of overly cautious and changed the 3rd. So it was the mass air connector that I did change from another harness. This connector here I changed from another harness. These are original. All the clips are here, all the clips here, all the clips here. I didn't see any tapped wires anywhere. I don't know why these zip ties are the only thing aftermarket, and some clean tape that scared me in a couple places, but I can tell just by looking at how clean everything else is that this has never been a beater harness. It was out of probably a lower mile car. Somebody named Aaron sold it to me, who knows how long ago, but that's all it says on the box. And if I don't remember where I got something like this, it's been quite a long time. And I got a lot of these to go around for anybody else who's interested in their own grade A mass airflow conversion parts. A lot more sealed computers and other good harnesses. This was the other connector that I changed from a different harness. So I changed the ignition coil, a tab-tad solenoid, and the mass airflow clip. But again, I'll flip it over. I checked where it goes through the firewall real good. There are no cuts in the wires there. You can tell it's been through the firewall once, that's about it. All this factory tape is still here, this like hockey tape stuff with these Christmas trees, so you might be able to just hope that there's still enough there that it pushes right back in on most of these, but they look pretty good. You know, chase up and down the 60 pin here with you where it goes through the firewall. So other than I changed the clips, I did nothing to this than pull it out of a box. And I think you'll approve of it. Just wanted to get it down there for you, and really appreciate your business. So I'll be talking to you soon. I'll get this out. Thanks.